Welcome, guys. So, today I'm going to open this box. The story is something like, a few weeks back, I was checking out a knife on Amazon and I shared my account with my family. So, my son saw it there. I forgot all about it. That was weeks ago. He saw it in the shopping cart. So, he decided to order it for me. So, it's a surprise. And I was so happy to see it when he told me he got me the knife. And yeah, that was my Valentine's Day gift for my son. Don't worry about it. I get knives. People get chocolates and roses and stuff. I get knives and scissors. Oh, look at that. That is a surprise. He didn't tell me that was in there too. Very nice. Those are kitchen shears. Okay, that looks like the knife box. MOSFiATA. All right, let's see. So, okay, that's it. I was looking for another thing in there, but no, I think that's what it is. Okay, no chocolate, no cakes, no flowers, no problem. Yep, I get knives. Oh yes, and this is so good. The kitchen shears are so good. Those scissors are good to cut up the chicken, and you can cut the fish and other, vegetables and stuff with it too. It's pretty good. Wow, I get two, and I get them with the safety caps. Nice, so nobody can accidentally hurt their hands. Very good. Oh, look at that. Nice. Okay, so let's put the safety caps on them and put them away. That was a bonus gift. Love it, love it. All right, so let's put that away. Okay, time to open the chocolate. Oh, sorry, knife box. Let's open it. Okay. Yes. All right. Okay. Box is so nice. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, that's finger guards. Yes, that's finger guards. That's to protect your fingers when you're chopping. Interesting. I never had that one before. Just a piece of sponge. And that is the knife. Yes, guys. I love knives, and my kids know it. They have safety cap here, a safety cap here. Wow, looks amazing. Beautiful. Wow. Okay. Do you want me to check out the blade? Oh, it comes with this safety cap too. All right. Very good. All my knives have safety caps. That's very good. Okay, there you go. What's that? Looks like a knife sharpener. Yes, it is. Oh, okay. Got two. Okay, that's another thing I desperately needed. Thank you to my son. I'm a proud owner of this knife. And a knife sharpener and a finger guard and two kenches. Oh, wow. Nice. All right. It's time to check that baby out. No need to sharpen it, but just can't help it. All right. Let's check the blade. Oh my God, it's so sharp. Okay, don't ever do that. I know the knife, so I'm doing it. Don't ever put your finger through the blade, please. Okay, let's try. Oh, ouch. So smooth. It's like cutting butter. Wow. Nice. Alrighty. Okay, that's the finger guard. Chop. Chop. Yep. Nice. Alrighty, just trying out some potatoes that I'm going to make later. Yeah, you figured out I'm making aloo ki bhujia later. So, yep. Okay, let's try it on the meat. Cut up some chicken wings, chicken drumsticks, chicken legs, slash. Very good knife. I will recommend that to anybody who wants it. Go to Amazon and buy it. It's pretty good. It's $75 knife, $45 sometimes. I got it for $25. That's what he tells me. So that's a pretty good price. And he got me those two Kenchi scissors have nothing to do with the knife. He just found them. I was looking at them, so he knew I was interested. He got them for me. So that was my knife and unboxing, and I hope you love it. Please let me know in the comments what do you think about my new knife. And when I start my live streaming again, live cooking, I'm going to use that knife definitely.